to my channel. I am Beauty by Deanna D. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new, hello. You have 3 beautiful options to subscribe to this channel. You have one right here on your mobile device, one right here on your desktop device, and one right there on the screen. So today I'm going to be talking about lighting, studio lights, what you need, how you can get the most affordable studio lighting kit, or I wouldn't say necessarily kit, I would just say how to get the most affordable setup and still budget for YouTube. The most thing out of this whole equipment is my camera. This is the most expensive. I had paid at least $200 for this camera that I'm filming on right now. I am about to get another camera. This camera, I've had it for a while, and I kind of want to like switch up this camera. This is the Samsung HMF 80 camera. This camera right here is nice. It's okay. You know, you can adjust your settings with this camera. You can actually add music to your videos with this camera. It's pretty cool. It's a camera that got me going on YouTube, and then I had switched over to the Samsung HT7 II. That vlogging camera went out on me. I started using it as a regular YouTube camera, but obviously that camera did not like me very much, and it decided I just want to say deuces. Okay. So what we're going to be talking about today is my lights. Since I've been posting on Instagram, I wanted to share with you guys. So I have 2 desktop lights, and then I have a little mirror with a ring light, and then I have a ring light itself. Then I have a background, which is just cardboard paper. I know it's kind of ghetto, as you can tell, but it's just cardboard paper. Seriously, cardboard. If you can see, like where it stops at, right there. I try to kind of have it covered up, but seriously, it's cardboard paper. Start somewhere, right? Got the idea from YouTube. So I am in the process of also getting another camera. I want to get a Canon camera. I heard they're really good. I really want to get the G7X. I really want to get the G7X. But right now, I'm just going to go as it is. I know I went live about my camera about a couple of weeks ago. Another camera that I purchased off of eBay, and I am getting all of the equipment for that camera because I was scammed, and I decided, you know, I'm not even gonna go through it. I'm just gonna let God deal with that person, and I'm just gonna invest. So if you're gonna start a YouTube channel, it's good to start somewhere, but in the future you really want to invest in lights, because this time now compared to back in 2009 and 8, which I wish I really would have started YouTube, it really has changed. You could at least upload a video with a webcam and be boom, popping. But nowadays you have to have lighting, and you have to have equipment. You have to have this, you have to have that. My whole kit, I pretty much have not spent over $500. If I didn't get the camera, it would be less than $100. So this camera itself was kind of like right at the budget of not being too I would say budget friendly, but it's a starter. It's like very good. They have them in different colors too. My tripod that I have you guys mounted on was only $7, but if you haven't looked in my description box, you would know that I have the price, everything, the name of this tripod, everything in my description box. I have it in each video I post. And this camera is, this tripod is good. You can adjust it, you can do whatever, but I am in the mood of getting another one. It's always good to have backups. It's always good to have backups. So I had posted a video on Instagram that I got a ring light, and if you don't know what my Instagram is, I'll have all of my social media. It's right here popping up. It's Beauty by Deanna D, Instagram, Twitter, and Beauty by D91 on Snap. And on Facebook, it's just Beauty by Deanna D. Please make sure you follow me on all my websites, because I am very, very active on each one. So I'm going to turn you guys around this way, and I'm going to show you guys what's behind the camera. Alright, yes, brightness. Let me dim this down. This is like what you want to see. This is like what people, oh, this is not bothering y'all. This is what people want to see as a YouTuber. This is what people want to come to your channel and be like, wow, she's great. But even though my channel is not really up there, it's a start. So this first little desktop light I have here is from Amazon. I got these 2 desktop lights in a set. These 2 desktop lights, here's this one, and then here's the other one over there. I got these 2 desktop lights in a set. Let me cut off my ring light. Oh. Okay. Where's my little what is it? Okay, so these are my desktop lights. I freaking love my desktop. You see the adjustments of the camera, like it just made it brighter, and then it just made it boom. So that's what you're gonna get. Hope this is not bothering you guys. And then there's the other one. I just have them sitting on this little desk I got at a yard sale for like 15 bucks. So this is really budget friendly, okay? So that is that. And then in the center, I hope I'm not making y'all dizzy. In the center, I'm gonna move my ring light just a tab, just a tab. Okay. In the center, I have this mirror. It's from Zadro, and I got it from Bed Bath Beyond. That Zadro mirror was at least, I will have my review of the Zadro mirror linked below, because I did a full review of the Zadro mirror the day that I got it. So I wanted to make sure I got it. Like, my videos before you see me was terrible, and it was just so terrible, you guys. I couldn't believe how terrible it was. So, and then here's my other little lamp. Okay, so you get 2 of these for like 30 bucks. These little desktop you know, lamps for 30 bucks. You get those for 30 bucks. And you guys, when I say that is a good deal, that is an amazing deal compared to if you want to really invest. If you want to really invest, you're going to be paying like close to $100 just for desktops. But you can find these on eBay as well. I'm pretty sure you can find these on eBay. And I like it. You know, it's very bright. They're nice on camera, and I like it. So I did not waste my money. And then with the mirror here, you can flip it over and magnifying glass it. But I have every detail in that video, like in the review. So I have every detail in the video. Now with my lights, it's pretty bright during the daytime, and it's also pretty bright during nighttime-ish time, but it's pretty nice. I love the layout of it. I love how it makes my videos appear a lot brighter than it usually be. So it does make my videos appear brighter than it was a couple of years back, because a couple of years back I wasn't able to film at night. I had to wait. Like, there were days where I had to film before I go to work and that is not good. So now the big part of it all is the ring light. Now the ring light itself, which I don't have on right now, let me turn it on. The ring light itself was at least $41. Yep. I can make it brighter as I want, and then I can dim it. It's up to you. Make it bright, dim it. It's the number one thing about ring lights. You want to get a dimmable ring light. If you like to take photos, I mean, it's easier said than done, basically. And this is the diffuser that's around it. So this is the diffuser, because it'll be extremely bright without the diffuser. So I'm gonna pause, take the diffuser off, and show you guys what I mean. So it's a lot more brighter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut. Ooh, give me a little headache here. It is bright. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is cut off these two ring lights back here, these two lights in the back. I'm gonna cut off these two lights in the back. Alright, and show y'all what it looked like. Sorry about being up close, you guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty bright. It is pretty bright. Pretty nice. It's pretty bright. I like it. Like it just dim. It's dimmable, so you can dim it however you want it, and then boom. So that's that with the ring light. Now I'm getting ready to cut my lights off in my room so you guys can see what it looks like with the lights off. I'm pretty sure it's going to be bright. I'm pretty sure, you guys, it's going to be bright. Okay, that is with the lights off. I'm going to cut my closet light off so y'all can see too how bright it is. So now you see how bright it is with the closet light off. Now I am going to cut off my ring light. Wait, let me do it this way. Now this is with all the lights on in the dark. Okay, this is all the lights on in the dark. It's pretty bright, huh? See? Pretty bright. Camera, I'm adjusting the camera. This is with the lights off in my room. And this is with the ring light off. So I'm getting ring light off. Okay. Now, that is just with the ring light off. This is with all the lights off. See that? Major difference. So, see why it was important for me to buy these? Because at the end of the day, you're gonna need a good lighting equipment. You're gonna need it. And this is without the ring light, so you can see the lights, how light it is. And this is with the ring light. Major difference. But I hope these tips was very, very helpful, and I hope that this tour is very helpful and also giving you ideas that you don't have to spend $1,000 to just get it. You know, my thing is with this type of equipment, I would say get it like without buying it all together. I would spread it out. Like I would wait 2 months later and I get something else, 2 months later and I get something else. You get what I'm saying? So it's kind of like you're balancing out everything. But I really like it. But I pretty much am happy with what I have right now. I am planning on getting some soft boxes. I'm planning on getting some soft boxes really, really soon because I really want a nice, decent sized camera. I want some soft boxes. I want everything that I need for YouTube. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up. Let me know what you guys liked about the video, what you guys thought I could add more. Let me know your feedback. And I gotta go, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.